everyone is busy on their mobiles and on their own work.
So more than the work colleagues, you are saying that the emotional support which comes from the family, from the
True.
spouse, from the children, or if you are really
Yes,
endowed,
from
if you are
children
privileged
also.
with your parents,
Yes,
the
yes.
seniors, because these days people feel they hide their stresses from their family members. Ki why
Uh,
to trouble them?
Yes,
But somewhere or the other, what you are trying to surmise is कि घर वालों से कुछ मत छिपाओ, because if they are dependent on you, on your work life, so they are an
absolutely.
equal partner in your stresses as well, and nothing de-stresses you more than a loving passionate family. And the family will also prepare itself for any eventuality for that matter. And in today's world, the VUCA driven world, anything can happen to anyone, so there
And
can
I often
yeah.
say that, thereby I often say family does not come first only. Family is everything.
Hmm.
You have to believe that the concept, the institution of family needs to be nurtured,
Hmm.
needs to be bolstered. And India as a society, भारतीय समाज की हम जब बात करते हैं तो परिवार तो उस समाज का एक अभिन्न, एक इंटीग्रल, it's an essential अधिष्ठान. So strengthen the family bonding, focus on that. You see, it all comes after when you have the goals clear in your mind, the philosophy, वो कहते हैं ना दर्शन विज्ञान और व्यवहार. तो जब आपका दर्शन क्लियर है, so this is first step, that the family nurturing, the family bonding needs to be very, very bolstered. It needs to be kept as a goal in mind. And, children are very, very healing.
Hmm.
Let me tell you that you are not only rearing them, they are also nourishing you. It is a spiritual transformation to become a parent. And it's a point of absolute joy and healing. So,
Hmm.
so spend time with children. And
Hmm.
even if they are grown-ups, they
Hmm.
have so much to share, so much to give you, joys. Do that activity with
Hmm.
spending time with them.
Hmm.
Next, I would say, even at the workplace,
Hmm.
we have to learn to voice our concerns, and so this depends on the HR policies also. I would urge and really request that, the employees are also like a family.
Hmm.
हम भारत में कहते हैं, भारतीय सभ्यता में वसुधैव कुटुंबकम.
Hmm.
So when Modi ji is saying that at the international scene, this has to be adopted at every level of society, every layer of it, whether it's
Hmm.
the workplace, whether it's the family, extended families. You have to, you see, man is, वो कहते हैं ना, man is a social animal. That's a Western adage. But when we say that आप यदि लोनलीनेस में, सॉलिट्यूड में रहेंगे, तो आपके विचार, दैट इज व्हाट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स द माइंड. द माइंड इज मेड अप ऑफ द IQ, द EQ and the SQ. Now IQ, your intellectual quotient, that you are doing a lot by your studies, your hard work, your entire ruminations, thought of the mind. Spiritual quotient आपने अपना gather कर लिया with your sadhana, with your spiritual practices, whatever limited everyone is doing in his or her
Hmm.
own realm.
Hmm.
And the emotional quotient. Now, this is something which